Hello folks, Richard Fontaine here. Now thank you for checking out my product review. Before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. That's what I said, $10,000 a month. Now this is an exceptional offer, folks, so I recommend that you grab it, and I have identified that product in the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can get the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video, and when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses for free. Bonus number 1 shows you how to build a Facebook group in any niche with up to 14,000 members and how to market to that Facebook group to make sales. Number 2 shows you how to create a recurring passive income online. And number 3 shows you how to act like a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get a high value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and then deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference in the process. That's how you become a middleman. And number 4 shows you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And besides that, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. And number 5 shows you the current trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliate marketers, plus much, much more. This offer also includes a list of resource articles for your benefit. Now, let's get on with our review.
Warning: from February 2024, all existing email autoresponders will become obsolete. In fact, if you want to send marketing emails, promotional emails, or any other sort of email starting in February 2024, you'll need to comply with Gmail's and Yahoo's draconic new directives. They require regular marketers like you and I to set up complex code on sending domains, and existing autoresponders like Aweber and GetResponse are not helping. They're requesting you do all the work, and their training is filled with complex instructions and flowcharts. If you wanted to outsource to someone on Fiverr or Upwork, it would cost you upwards of $200 plus as the going rate, plus lots of wasted time and no guarantee it would work. You don't want any of that. You just want to be able to send emails without any of the complex tech setup that is now required starting with February 2024. You want a solution that does it all for you in the background, so you can focus on what's making you money, sending emails. Lucky for you, there is now a solution. How would you like to send unlimited emails at the push of a button, all with done-for-you DMARC, DKIM, SPF, custom IPs, and dedicated SMTP sending servers? What I mean by all of that tech talk above is that with ProfitMarc, we give you presets, pre-configured, done-for-you email sending addresses you can just load up and mail straight away. We don't even have any setup tutorials like other autoresponders either, because guess what? We already did all the setup for you. All of our built-in sending addresses and servers are already pre-warmed with Gmail and Yahoo, and they're loving us. 99% inbox rate is the average. And you could do it all without ever writing a single email yourself, or without ever having your own email list to begin with. When you have an email list, you literally have access to push-button profits. Big marketers are cashing in thousands of dollars simply by sending an email. And the best part, you can now do the same, even after all of these changes coming in February 2024. Look, email marketing is quickly becoming something only the so-called gurus have access to, because they can afford to pay a team of in-house developers, sysadmins, and all-around tech guys to do it all for them. With Google and Yahoo restricting who can send emails dramatically, there's more money to be made by those who can comply. Today, we're leveling the playing field by offering a cost-effective solution with zero limitations and the only autoresponder on the market that comes with done-for-you DMARC, DKIM, SPF, pre-built SMTP, and custom IPs for unrestricted sending and stress-free email marketing. Introducing ProfitMarc. It's the only cloud autoresponder out there that comes with built-in compliance for Gmail and Yahoo, including the dreaded DMARC update that starts February 1st, 2024. What sets ProfitMarc apart is that it's not just another autoresponder. No, besides the pre-built tech setup, with ProfitMarc you're actually getting done-for-you leads you can upload, clean, and mail straight away, and a revolutionary new AI system that writes emails for you. That's right, let the AI do all the work for you. Just log in, insert your affiliate link, and watch it do its magic. The AI writes the emails for you. The AI comes up with creative subject lines and automatically split tests them for you. The AI finds leads for you. The AI schedules and sends the email for you through our SMTP servers. Not just that, ProfitMarc will allow you to upload a list of subscribers straight into the app, with no double opt-in or any verification required whatsoever. Mail your list as often as you'd like to. Build your list with our built-in opt-in forms and enjoy no downtime. So you can finally say goodbye to expensive autoresponders with monthly fees that provide a subpar service and can even close down your account anytime they want to. You can even send unlimited SMS texts or Instagram messages to reach your audience in fresh new ways, all from the same interface. Plus, we have our own sending servers with DMARC, DKIM, SPF, SMTP, and dedicated IPs already pre-configured and working seamlessly for you, and you're all set. You get to email your list as often as you'd like, completely free forever. There's literally no other app like ProfitMarc right now. How cool is that? You get all the features of a regular autoresponder without any of the restrictions. With ProfitMarc, you're in full control, all with zero monthly fees, unrestricted importing, and a market-friendly interface. The best part? You never have to write a single email or subject line yourself, and never have to collect a single email lead. Our AI does it all for you. It's even in our name. So don't wait any longer and click the buy button below to get access to ProfitMarc during the early bird launch that includes a massive $100 discount, and you get our platform with lifetime access. We're excited to step into this new era of email marketing together. Welcome to ProfitMarc.